Nestled amidst the serene landscapes of Chino Valley, 1980 North Windsong is a remarkable real estate gem that offers the quintessential blend of rural tranquility and modern comfort. This picturesque property sprawls over 2 level acres, providing unobstructed views of the majestic Granite Mtn. Privacy is paramount here, as the back of the property seamlessly merges with state land, ensuring an undisturbed natural backdrop. The thoughtful design places the home elegantly back from the roadway on a corner lot, enhancing its curb appeal. Inside, the residence boasts a spacious owner's suite that includes not one, but 2 closets and an expansive bath with dual vanities. 2 additional bedrooms and a full guest bath provide ample space for family and guests. An office space offers versatility for remote work or creative pursuits with its own exterior access. The heart of the home is the inviting kitchen that flows into the dining room, and an Arizona room, which leads to a covered back patio, where you can savor breathtaking sunsets. The mature landscaping adds a touch of natural beauty to the surroundings. This property doesn't just offer a comfortable home, it also caters to the needs of hobbyists and outdoor enthusiasts. With a 2-car oversized garage, a detached 24 by 24 garage workshop, and an 11 by 30 carport storage shed, there's plenty of room for your vehicles and projects. RV enthusiasts will appreciate the convenient hookup and on-site dumping capability. And if you're an equestrian enthusiast, the detached garage easily converts into a barn and stall setup. What makes this property even more remarkable is the recent comprehensive remodel, just 5 years ago. The addition of an office and sunroom off the kitchen, along with quality touches like crown molding and porcelain tile plank flooring, elevate the living experience. Modern upgrades such as a new roof, plumbing, electrical, appliances, HVAC, and water heater ensure worry-free living. The cozy open living room, complete with a corner fireplace, invites you to relax while gazing out at the breathtaking view. With an exterior entrance, the office provides convenience for home-based businesses. In essence, 1980 North Windsong offers the ideal blend of country living with all the amenities you desire.